Welcome to Daily Drives, where innovation meets the open road. If you're passionate about futuristic vehicles, cutting-edge designs, and next-generation performance, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting updates every week. Let's dive into a rolling marvel from Sweden, presenting the 2026 Volvo Motor Home, a beautiful fusion of Scandinavian luxury, intelligent engineering, and eco-conscious technology. This motorhome is redefining what it means to travel in style. The 2026 model isn't just a home on wheels, it's a statement of sustainable sophistication, designed for those who want to experience the world without compromising comfort or environmental responsibility. From the outside, the Volvo Motor Home 2026 immediately grabs attention. With its aerodynamic silhouette, sleek LED lighting, and dynamic body contours, it feels more like a luxury SUV stretched into a futuristic command center than a traditional RV. The grille features Volvo's signature Thor's hammer headlights, subtly modernized for 2026 with adaptive laser light technology for exceptional visibility and safety on long night drives. Sitting on 22-inch alloy wheels and equipped with active air suspension, this motorhome balances road presence with comfort like never before. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an interior that perfectly combines minimalism and high-tech. Functionality. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome's cabin is a masterclass in smart living design. Plush vegan leather seating, sustainably sourced wood veneers, and ambient lighting create a relaxing atmosphere, while panoramic smart glass windows tint automatically to adjust to sunlight, offering perfect views without the heat. The dashboard is anchored by a dual display setup, one for the driver and one that acts as a central infotainment system powered by the latest version of Volvo's connected software. Navigation, entertainment, climate control, and even smart home integration are just a touch away. You can dim the lights, preheat your water, or even start your coffee maker, all from the central console or a synced mobile device. Sleeping quarters feature a queen-sized retractable bed with memory foam mattress, integrated storage, and touch-activated privacy screens. The space can transform from a cozy bedroom into a home office setup, complete with a fold-out desk, 5G connectivity, and noise-canceling insulation, making this an ideal pick for digital nomads. The kitchen is both compact and incredibly functional, featuring induction cooktops, a convection oven, smart refrigerator, and a fold-out dining table for four. Everything is powered by a dual battery and solar roof system that not only powers your appliances but also charges while you're parked, offering true off-grid capability. A water recycling unit ensures minimal wastage, and the climate control system adapts based on occupancy, making this one of the most energy-efficient motorhomes in its class. When it comes to the bathroom, Volvo didn't cut any corners. A rainfall shower, water-saving toilet, and a smart mirror with built-in health tracking and skincare suggestions transform even your personal hygiene routine into a luxurious experience. The motorhome is also equipped with an air purification system, ensuring fresh, clean air wherever you travel. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is powered by a dual-motor all-electric drivetrain, delivering over 400 horsepower and an estimated range of 500 kilometers on a full charge. It supports ultra-fast charging, meaning you can go from 20% to 80% in just under 30 minutes at compatible stations. Regenerative braking, intelligent cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving modes make long-distance travel more efficient and less tiring. What truly sets this motorhome apart is Volvo's commitment to safety. The 2026 model features the latest in collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a full 360-degree camera system. Add in biometric recognition, remote security features, and live vehicle diagnostics, and you're looking at one of the most secure motorhomes on the market. Customization options are extensive, with modular add-ons like expandable side pods, roof-mounted storage, and even a mini drone for aerial campsite views or delivery drops. Whether you're heading into the mountains or navigating a cityscape, the Volvo Motor Home 2026 adapts seamlessly. In short, Volvo has done more than just build a vehicle. They've crafted a mobile sanctuary for the modern adventurer: quiet, powerful, luxurious, and smart. Whether you're a weekend warrior or full-time explorer, the 2026 Volvo Motor Home proves that the journey can be just as extraordinary as the destination. Thanks for watching. If you loved this deep dive into the 2026 Volvo Motor Home, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow travel enthusiasts, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest in vehicle innovation. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your spirit exploring.